Sometimes the essentials are all you need, and this is just that. The essentials in a well-built and affordable package to help you get work done. This is the Logitech m280. The design of the m280 is simple and understated. A mix of plastic and nice feeling textured rubber, all of which has managed to look almost as good as new after a year and a half of use. Its size on the other hand is a bit too small for my She-Hulkish hands, but that wouldn't be a problem for normal people. However, I still managed to find it comfortable for long editing sessions. All of the buttons on here are decently clicky. The left and right click are responsive, but the middle click is a little too stiff for my taste, but hey, that's just me. And all of these can be reprogrammed to pretty much anything using the Logitech app. For connectivity, it uses a USB dongle which manages to keep a solid connection with accurate, latency-free and reliable tracking. Now what managed to impress me the most was the battery life, because it's stupidly amazing, with 18 months being advertised on the packaging and I got about the same amount, with the provided battery running out around a week ago. And for its price of around 25 Australian dollars, you won't find much else on the market that can surpass or even match Logitech's reputation and quality promise.